my god! How to derail your train, part 2. Put that down right there. Get it closer. Now I'm going to take the engine. I'm going to put it on the track so that all wheels are on. If you can't tell that all the wheels are on, try running it. If it makes a sound like this, then that means it's derailed. If that happens, then fix it again. If you don't want to run it and make things worse, then just do this. Push it along. Let me take the other engine and do exactly the same thing, except this one has twice as many wheels. Now, the rolling stock, it's different. Mine have plastic wheels. I'm just going to do this, make sure all the wheels are on, makes it sound like that, and you did a bad job. Now fix it. Perfect. Then you do the same. I make sure all of them are in a specific order. Need to hurry up because I'm running out of time. Forget it. I'll finish later.